One more time. Hey, you've been closed last couple days.
Last 2 days.
Yeah, I was looking for you. French fries right here. Loaded potato. Okay, thanks, man. Me. Tanjay City Vending. All right. Cocoa juice. Show my. Show me your show my. Oh my Lord. Only in the Philippines. All right, look at that. Ay. All right, vodka?
No.
Oh. Wow, look how busy this place is, man. Must be good, eh? Good? Excuse me, Lapo. I'm gonna come through here, man. Yeah, this is really busy. Yeah, it must be really good. No, don't worry. Tanjay City vendors. Yeah. Hey. Smells really good. I know you.
Yeah.
Did you see your picture?
Yeah.
Nice, eh?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Is that your chair?
No.
Yes.
Sit.
No, I can have that? Thank you. Free chair. Yeah, I know this girl here. She's my amiga.
Yeah. What's that?
You're gonna be famous. Yeah, but she only gets one.
Why?
Because she's importante. Let's go here. Tanjay City Rocks. Because she's on my channel. Okay?
Wow.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Tanjay City Rocks.
Next time I see you, you gotta show me. Show me your show my. Show me your show my. Is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
Wonderful. Okay, thanks. You gonna use it?
Yeah.
Okay. And there's that girl always hiding her smile. Look at right there. She's always, see, she covers her face all the time.
Smell.
I don't know why, man. So. All right. Down to Tanjay City. What are we selling? Shawarma. From Middle East. Yeah, shawarma. Huh? Nice. Somebody's calling me here. Hang on. No, I was testing you. You want me to prove it? Okay, wait. Okay, cut.